Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDC from your Ledger Nano X to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're cashing out for trading or just managing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up and connected to your computer or via Bluetooth. You'll also need the Ledger Live app installed and your Robinhood account ready to receive funds. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Ethereum app on your Ledger Nano X since USDC is an ERC20 token. Confirm that your device is unlocked and the app is running smoothly. This is your hardware wallet's way of keeping things secure, so double-check everything. Step 2. Head over to your Robinhood app or website. Go to the crypto section and select USDC. Look for the deposit option and generate a new wallet address. Pro tip: always verify this address on a secure device to avoid any mix-ups. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Back on Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts tab, select your Ethereum account, and find your USDC balance. Click on Send, and enter the Robinhood wallet address you just copied. Double-check the amount you're transferring, including any network fees, which are usually pretty low for Ethereum transactions in 2025. Step 4. Review the transaction details on your Ledger device. It will prompt you to confirm with your PIN in the device's screen. Never confirm on your computer screen alone. Once approved, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, check your Robinhood account to confirm the USDC has arrived. If you run into any issues, like a stuck transaction, reach out to Ledger or Robinhood support, but always prioritize security by using official channels. And there you have it. Your USDC is now in Robinhood. This process keeps your assets safe while making transfers straightforward. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.